Since 2015, we have been organizing and doing this beach trek. Every year during the second day trial, after crossing so many beaches, rocky terrains, valleys, climbing up and down the mountains, we have to cross a small river stream which flows from the river Aghanashini, upon which we could continue our trail further. Every year crossing this stream gives us a surprising factor, and this video is all about that surprising factor. During 2015 and 16, we don't have any option to cross this river. There were no boats, so we walked inside the villages to cross the stream and we joined the adjoining seashore. But from 2017, the story is different. As you can see the visuals up here, we take small boats to cross this small stream. This stream may look small, but the water level and the depth and the intensity of the current flow is very high. And we were really scared to cross the stream by using these small boats, as you can see in these visuals. And this was the scenario in 2017 and 18. Right from 2019 and 20, the story is completely different. And do you believe if I say we just crossed this Aghanashini river stream by walking? Yeah, that's what happened. Adventurous, isn't it? Yeah. As the years pass on, we have witnessed the absolute change in this coastal region due to the nature's direct impact. As you could see in these visuals, we just literally walked to cross this river stream because the water flow and the depth was very less when compared to the previous years, 2017 and 18.
Super.
And this year, we don't know what surprise is waiting for us from the Mother Nature. And if you are interested to join us in this adventurous trekking, please leave a comment in the comment section or DM us on our Insta page and we shall get back to you as soon as possible. So keep traveling. Cheers, PrayanaPaithyam.